Some Modoc High Mountain Zippers. Getting ready for the fall fly. See what they can do this morning. Some of my first round and 2 old birds in there. There's 13 birds in there. Oh hey, that one looking good. Boy, they're feeling it today. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Get back up in there, guys. Some of you guys might be too deep. Oh man, they're gonna break up again. There you go. Regroup, guys. Jeez Louise. Whoa! It's fun to watch, though. They're not kitting very well right now. There they go. They're getting back together right there. They just had a little bit of fun time, I guess. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Loosen up, guys. Not bad for Mayborns. I got 2 old birds in there with them. Yeah, they're getting the hang of it. I'll start adding birds to the team right now because it's not enough birds in that team yet, but as the birds prove that they can be in this kit, I'll put them over here. But I'll be pulling my old birds from breeding here shortly after they just finish with babies are in the nest, and I'll start getting my old bird team ready. Oh man, they're looking good. Good job, guys. Looking good up there. Stuck on the wing though. But they're still molting pretty good too. I'm surprised they're even rolling the way they are. Got one almond starting to get kind of crazy back there. Ooh. Hey. He's learning. Oh yeah.